Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Ordinals. Wanted to do an update, but obviously, well, this price action has been pretty ridiculous. All right, it's yeah. Yesterday, what we talked about is that the price was probably retracing, right? So yesterday there was already some bad news. With Ordinals potentially being well removed from, or the option to inscribe Ordinals being removed from the Bitcoin blockchain. But yesterday the open interest was already lower as well, and just in general, I mean, then the question was, or a lot of people had the question, well, why did we pump again after that? To me, Ordinals has just been, mostly it's just been manipulated. All right, that's what it is. If you take a look at Ordinals right now, if you look at where a lot of the volume comes from, you'll see that a lot of the volume comes from OKX, from SuperX, PionX, Hotcoin Global, OrangeX. Usually, if a lot of the volume comes from there, it just is manipulated, and that's why you get price action like this. All right. So yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if Ordinals still pumps up to $75, even though the fundamentals right now are pretty far from being bullish. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised, because right now, yeah, what is the market structure? Is it bullish? Is it bearish? I mean, obviously you click this video to have an answer by me, but I'm not sure. All right, it seems to me that there's this important level here in the middle between $58 and then $52, so around 55, which is a strong resistance level that also served as the top on Monday. So now, look, if you look at the open interest for Ordinals, it's pretty stable. All right. So if you look at open interest like this, you would say that it will just be neutral and move sideways. The correlation between Bitcoin and Ordinals is quite high, so that's also why Ordinals got a bit of a bearish breakout here when Bitcoin spiked down. But right now, it really, see, Ordinals still found great support at $50 and $47, which is also a strong support. So I must say that if you zoom out a bit with the open interest, you can definitely see that it has dropped down significantly from the top. So I wouldn't say right now it's most likely that Ordinals will go higher. I would say it's more likely that Ordinals will find resistance at $55 and then slowly move down towards $45 and then $40 again, and then eventually that it will fall down even lower towards $30 and 27.5. I would say that's most likely. I mean, Ordinals has already rallied a lot. I do expect a pullback a little bit bigger from Bitcoin at some point of time. Now, it's still a possibility, right? Definitely with price action like this, it is still a possibility that Ordinals will recover and make higher highs. Like I said at the start of this video, I wouldn't be surprised if Ordinals hits $75. But for that, I do think that in the next 24 hours, pretty soon, because otherwise the trend and otherwise the momentum will just leave the markets for Ordinals. I think pretty soon it just needs to break back above 55 and 57.5. That's the main level. If it breaks above that, major bullish breakout, and that's probably accompanied by either a bullish Bitcoin or a lot of momentum for Ordinals. So then I could still see it going to $75. But this, to say it again, is not what I expect. All right, I think it's more likely, given all of the circumstances in the markets, that we'll see some more bearish momentum, consolidation, and then eventually a dump. All right, so those are my thoughts. Whether you like it or not, I'm just trying to be honest. All right, so those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.